Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on ULEFONE Armor 21. So first, open the Wi-Fi settings by scrolling from the top to open Quick Settings and click and hold on the Wi-Fi. Then, when you are connected, so let me just connect. When you're connected, click the gear next to your Wi-Fi, click Forget, then disable Wi-Fi and enable it again, and try to connect one more time. And if it's not working for you, then try to restart your phone and the router. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.